Hello my YouTube friends, this is Non Mechanic here, and today I am changing the door chime in my house. The old one has been there for a long time, and every time we press the front door bell it does not ring. When we press the back door it rings for 3 or 4 times and then it stops ringing. It gets stuck, so I'm going to be replacing it with this door chime right here. I can't find the transformer nowhere in the house. It looks like when they installed the firewall in the basement, it looks like they put it up there and they hid it up there, so I can't find it, but I know the transformer is working because that bell in the side door is working. And this is almost similar to the one I have. Not the same one, but almost similar to it. I got this for like $16. And we're going to be replacing it right now. And what it seems is that you're only going to need a screwdriver and a Phillips screwdriver also. I got to get the Phillips screwdriver, and we're going to be installing it right over here. We're going to be installing it right there. As you can see, this is my old one. This is the one I'm going to be replacing. And this one almost the same, just has the same style. So I'm going to be replacing it with this right here. So now the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to remove the cover. It has this cover right here. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to ask my daughter to ring the bell. And you're going to see how this one moves right here. Go ahead, Mama, ring it. See, keep ringing it, Mama. You can see that this one is moving. So what I'm going to ask her now to go to the front and press the front. All right, Mama, press it. See, she's pressing it and it's not moving, the top one. Go again, Mama. Are you pressing it? Yes. Okay, close the door and come in. So you notice that the back door is working and the front door is not working. So that's the reason why I'm going to be replacing. And this is another reason I know that the transformer is working, even though I can't find it. And it has 3 wires. You can see that it has the green one that it says front, then the white one transformer, and the red is rear. Now, I suggest that you turn off the circuit breaker that's powered to this, and then continue with the job. So in here, I can see that I have 5 screws. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and they're all flat here. And you can see, I don't know why this is backwards. This house been here since what, 1959 or something like that. They installed it backwards. I'm gonna see why they put it backwards, and I'm gonna put the one I have. So I'm gonna start removing first. I'm gonna remove these wires right here. 1, 2, 3. And this is the rear. Just a simple wire. Remove it. Then you have the transformer. Goes 2. And there goes the front. So now those wires are out. Push it to the side. And now we're going to remove this other tube right here. As a matter of fact, I'm going to remove the top one. So it goes, take it out. It has a gap, so I'm just going to push it down and hopefully I can pull it. Yep. And put the wires right through. And that's how it came out. The other one, they had it on backwards. I don't know why. So I'm going to put this with the top just to see. And I'm going to screw this screw back in there. I'm going to take this one off. That one you can screw it. I left the same screws. What you're gonna do, you're gonna take the wires, put it right through the hole, and push that down. Look like it'll work. It's a little bigger. So I noticed that this one is a little bigger. The other hose that's there, it's not gonna fit. So I'm just gonna create another hole with my drill. Right here, I'm gonna create just a little one. I'm hoping I could put a smaller screw than the big one they had there. And this one is going to be a Phillip. This is the one that came with it. I kept the old one up there. There it goes. Look straight. Yep, it's nice and straight. So now all we got to do is put these back on. So all we're going to do, put it in the same sequence they had it. And the green one goes in the front. We're going to put front first. Just put it right in there. Take your screwdriver. Put it in there. We're going to take the white one, which is the transformer. We're going to take the white one. Put the white with the transformer. Okay, that's white. It's in. Now we're gonna put the rear. In this situation, the rear is the red one. So now that I have them all connected, I'm gonna ask my daughter to first press the front. Go to the front door, Mama. Press the front door. And let's see if this did the trick, this new one. Now it's working. Press it again. Again. Good job. So here you go. Now it's working. Now I have a bell for when people ring the bell. Now they're working. If you're having this problem, just try changing the shim to see if that's what it is. Just remember, rear with rear, transformer, and front is very easy to install. And this is how it's done. So what you have to do now, you got this cover, and this cover has this right here. Has like this plastic here, you can see it, like a little gap, and it's gonna go right on the top right there. Goes right in the middle down. And what we're going to do is we're going to put this screw right through the bottom. So here you go. Once I put the screw in, now it's nice and even. And now I have a brand new belt, a new shim, and this is all it took. So once again, this is Now Mechanic. If you have any comments or questions, please post them down below or contact me on nowmechanic101@yahoo.com. That is nowmechanic101@yahoo.com. And remember, if Now Mechanic can do it, you can do it. Later.
Like a bird on a tree, I'm just sitting here